hopefully we're going to be able to go down to that off-road games again, and apparently they're doing Jeeps, I guess, for part of it. So we're looking at building one really quick. And here's one that I have that might be worth doing. I don't know. We got several options here, but this one is a little bit ragged, you know, but hey, that's part of the game. Get her going from ragged to riches. But yeah, this one here is an oldie, but it's got a lot of potential. Kind of cool. Someone from the old military. Yeah, this old Jeep, apparently property of Ogden City Schools, number 75. I don't know if that's 1975 or just what, but it's kind of cool anyway. They must have had it for a project, because they've dropped in a Ford in the early 70s vintage, probably 302. It doesn't look like they did too bad a job though, so that helps make this a little bit more exciting about building. Needs a lot of work, but you know what? It might be worth it. I think we could actually make it into something. Yeah, I don't know. We got a few of these outfits to play with. This one is pretty interesting. I'm not sure how they did it. I'm trying to see how they put that engine in. I'm gonna have to unload it to get any details. But the fun part is start here and work up. Yeah, pretty crazy. Crazy. I'm having a hard time looking underneath it. Oh, man. Alright, now we're looking underneath it. I'm not exactly sure what in the world he's got. Some kind of a adapter from what appears to be a Ford 3-speed tranny to the transfer case. I don't know. It's kind of interesting. There's a shifter with some sort of an adapter. Anyway, this might be the one to go with. We'll see. We'll let you know. One thing that's kind of interesting on these old Jeeps is they actually had right here is a grease fitting. Isn't that weird? You could grease your wheel bearings on that grease fitting, one on each side. Kind of cool. If you're an old Jeep person, you will remember that. I'd kind of forgotten about it. But yeah, it's kind of cool. We might have to upgrade the axles though anyway. But if we go with this one. Alright, for our Jeep build project, here's another option. Number 2 is this one. It's kind of wrecked, but hey, that's part of the game again. Whatever we can do here, it's not going to matter a whole lot because we're going to be Jeeping. Yeah, you know, we don't necessarily need a fancy ride. Just something that rolls and moves. You don't have to worry too much about. So this one might be a viable candidate for this project also. I don't know, I have to put some thought into it. This one's quite a bit newer, of course. I kind of like the V8 idea, but this one's a 4.0 obviously, which in the Jeeping world they seem to love. But anyway, yeah, quite a bit newer. This one does have a little bit of an upgrade. It looks like they've changed the steering and some of the tie rod ends, which is, I good thing. The downside is, I believe the front differential's bent. Looking at it, it seems to be, when they roll over, they don't always come out as good as they should. You know, things get torn up, but they also get torn up on the trail, so who knows. Another option, though. Maybe this is the better one. I don't know. This ain't too shabby. Here's a few more potential Jeeps. Let's see. This one here is another option that was running good, and it also got rolled over. Rolling Jeeps over must be a normal thing, but anyway, this one also has a V8 original, so this one would be a cool candidate to do it with. Yeah, take a little bit of work. We got a couple months is all to get her done. So manual. This one even has a 5-speed. That's pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. So yeah, we got several options here of what to use, what to do. Gotta get building it though. Another option is to do a Bronco 2. I think we're gonna do that later. We also have some pretty cool Toyota trucks that would be good. Speaking of Toyota, yeah, Toyotas would be good. It's going to be fun dragging one of these out of the yard here, out of where it is, and figure out which one to go with. Got to make a decision here quick. Number 3 right here. Alright, here is number 4 option. We could do a Samurai. We have a few of these. I believe this is the one we were lifting last year with our Rooker we built. Our rotator, which we're going to take down again. Yeah, Samurai might work. We've got several of those around here. See, there's some more over there. No shortage on Samurais. Anyway, so the Samurai option, that is number 4. Let's see, 3 Jeeps Samurai. Let's see. Here is another Samurai. I'm kind of leaning this direction, actually. This one might be more easy to get going. They would all be fun. Yeah, I don't know. This one might be a good choice. Yeah, I'm leaning towards Sammy. That would be easy, little. We could put a little Rooker body on the back. Yeah, maybe. This would actually be considered number 5 option. We got other Sammys though. Yeah. This one might be it. Let's see what we can do here. Fun decisions. Okay, we just put a battery in. Let's see if this thing will start. If we got a key, that'll be the next question of the day. Oh, keys in the ignition. How about that? But no go. No nothing. No nothing. Maybe the battery's junk. Okay, now we're try this for a start. Go that way. Load this baby up and see if we can make it run. If it don't work, then we'll jump back to, I don't know, one of those Jeeps anyway. This thing's got some crazy stuff underneath. I don't know what the heck that's all about. Something broke off, it looks like. I don't know, maybe this is the way to do it. Okay, we got her loaded on here. That mess underneath is some really Mickey Mouse suspension stuff they did. You never know what people do. But hey, it's got potential. I don't know. We'll look at this one. If this isn't going to really work out great, we'll go grab a Jeep. After all, it is Jeep, but Samurais are cool. Change the axles and whatnot.